Professor Bhaumik, sir, are you here? Can we start?
Sure.
Okay. Actually, we were waiting for you, sir. We thought you had not yet joined. Okay.
Oh, okay. I'm back. Sorry.
Okay. Okay, sir. Tanveer, madam, if you could kindly take over the session.
Yeah, yes, sir. Good afternoon, everyone, and a very warm welcome to everyone present over here. I'm Tanveer Qureshi, Assistant Professor, School of Business. So, students, do you know that it's our mental attitude which makes the world what it is? Our positive attitude, the perceptions, the way we live like that will make it beautiful. While our negative attitude, our emotional reactions to various events and things will make things uglier for us. So it won't be incorrect to say that the whole world is in our mind, right? So one should learn how to see things properly in life. So students, don't worry, we are not going to have any spiritual kind of session right now. Yeah. So it's 3:15 around the clock and we all have gathered here to gain some more insights into how emotional intelligence can act as a game changer. And when we talk about in terms of high performance and leadership, right? So emotional intelligence, when we talk about hiring top-notch talent in the organization, the top-notch talent in the organization like the CEOs and the BODs, they have been hired on the basis of their high intelligence quotient, whereas they have been fired on the basis of lack of emotional quotient, right? So now, without taking much of your time, I would proceed further with a small introduction speech of our guest of honor today, Professor Dr. Amiya Bhaumik, sir. Sir is the founder, former Vice Chancellor, and President of Lincoln University College, Malaysia, which offers more than 100 programs, including the doctorate degree and MBBS, spread across 12 faculties. Sir is also the founder, chief editor of different journals. He had written several books, over 100 research articles, and has also filed several patents. Sir is the holder of double master's degree and a PhD and has done PhD disciplines including biology, culture, psychology, and international management. Sir is associated with the field of education as of 10 years now. Sir is a visionary leader and a firm believer in the philosophy of work is worship. And for that, he has traveled around 108 countries throughout the world. Sir has worked with many international organizations like Ottawa University, USA. He, in the year 2020, he is received the BCM is the Bintech Camerlang Malacca Tira Award by the state government Malaysia, right? So it's indeed a matter of honor and privilege for all of us to have sir. So on behalf of the Dean School of Business,
Hello.
Madam seems to be having some network issues. Are you there, madam? Okay. So, without further ado, I would like to hand over the session to Professor Amiya Bhaumik, sir. Sir, please.
Thank you, Dr. Sarkar. Namaskaram to everyone and good afternoon to friends, colleagues of ITM Baroda University. And I'm very pleased to talk to you. Very interesting topic that emotional intelligence in leadership. Now, before I go on to explain, I would rather give you some proof that what is emotional intelligence in leadership. Now, currently, throughout the world, everybody knows about the former president of USA, Mr. Trump. How he failed miserably as a president, the powerful man in the world. He failed because he had a minus emotional intelligence in leadership. The current President Biden, he has proven that he is a better emotional, intelligent leadership within exactly today. He has completed 1 month, and within a month he has shown that how a better emotional intelligent leader than former President Trump. Former President Trump failed because of main 5 characteristics of emotional intelligent leadership. Now, what are those 5 emotional intelligent leadership? Let me share with you some PowerPoint, and then you will understand that what it is all about. Now, the emotional intelligence in leadership, there are mainly the 5 domains: motivation, empathy, social skills, self-awareness, and self-regulation. Now, social skills,